to ensure that life is on, everywhere, for everyone, at every moment.
Hi, I hope I find you well and in good health, and welcome to this space from Schneider Electric within this great umbrella and of industrial transformation 2021. As you know, it's a space where we have the opportunity to share with you the most relevant of the activities in our country and the offer of products, solutions, suggestions for the markets, mainly in the industrial market and others. Undoubtedly, in the last years, and last month, additionally to the health problems that we're facing with the pandemic that has spread more than we've expected, society, government, and industries are facing very important challenges. These challenges can be summarized in how to continue with the progress and revolution of human being and the well-being that we're looking for our societies, along with the challenge of sustainability. Sustainability is something that it's really important to have. It's the foundation of everything what we do. In a world that we're starting to experiment very severe problems due to climate change, we need to have a very accurate approach in sustainability without neglecting the process that the societies need. In Schneider Electric, we are strongly working to comply with the purpose of looking and having a more sustainable world, at the same time helping the progress and evolution to continue. The climate change effects can be seen every single day with the news: stronger hurricanes, storms, fires in the different parts of the world. This is to say, global warming, it's here. It's on all measures that taken by government, society, and the industrial are focused on trying to mitigate the effects of this global warming. In this regard, we have this important mission of innovating, improving, enhancing technology so as to help all industries to become more sustainable and more efficient in terms of productivity and considering all the productive units reducing wastes and others. Today, we can have the convergence of an operation technologies and information technologies that both would allow us to manage our productive processes in a more efficient way and a more productive one to benefit everyone in the different segments: commercial, industrial, government sectors, and others. As of now, we have given the responsibility to the global organizations and in most of governments. However, today it's really important to work jointly in this important initiative to create a more sustainable world and to stop the progression of global warming. Until now, we are creating and generating more warmth than expected. Therefore, it's important for everyone using energy and fuels to change the way we do things, to look towards a more efficiency way of energy, and mostly to reduce the use of fossil sources so that we can substitute them with a cleaner and more efficient fuels. In this case, we're talking about electricity. It's time to take more electricity to the different houses, to the industry. But and clean industry together with renewable energies in generating electric and power energy so as to meet the demands of everything that we produce at the same time, to have the production of cleaner and more sustainable energies that will allow us to continue with the progress of the whole society without affecting in a great deal the sustainability that we're looking for. If we don't act and start today, we won't achieve the goal to get to the maximum warming of 1.5 degrees. If we don't do something, we will be hit and hardly in the year 2030. We have very few years to get to control the and have a better control of global warming. Thank you so much. Everyone involved in the industrial sector share the same challenges or very similar ones, to have minimum payments times, to be almost inexistent, to be able to take to the market products in a faster way in deliveries without forgetting, obviously, to be prepared to face changes that we live daily and can't foresee. These are recurrent topics that has an objective to take and to the hands of the users those products that will change their lives. In this aspect, it's really easy to us to foresee why this is one of the axes that has more impact in the segment. However, the challenge that we face on our daily basis is to discover the path that the journey that lead us to comply our objectives, to have a process recovery in a shorter time, to have visibility and process control that allows to maximize production and reducing of times, and flexibilize our production lines without having an unnecessary cost. We in Schneider have discovered that technology allows to tackle problems in a very successful and concrete way, and we've defined and tried our own technologies precisely to receive the benefits and good results. And one of the tangible examples is the implementation of our intelligent plant in Monterrey. The same that inaugurated in 2019 after an intelligent design with 6 production lines, offering employment to more than 1,000 employers directly and 1,000 others indirectly. The intelligent plant of Schneider Electric is one of the first one in North America, giving birth under the umbrella of smart factoring. This is the only one with a design and an implementation of its operation in an industrial digital design through the integration of platforms and internet platforms, the Internet of Things, such as our EcoStruxure platforms. Within the solutions that we install, we have several examples. On cloud solutions that give the company the possibility of avoiding stoppages, improving flexibility, and to be able to diagnose in a very agile fashion so that the process can continue going on at all moments. Digital solutions and simulations that allow us to make better decisions in every step. The very well known digital twin is one of many tools. Well, another tool that allows people to have all the history of the machine, the process, and to have things at the moment that it's needed. Wireless solutions that allows to have not only faster implementation, but more agile, adapted to the need. The plant has a quality of ISO 9000 and ISO 4000 quality certifications, so it is a successful cases of digitalization. These same solutions have been implemented in an emblematic and traditional plant for us, such as our Rojo Gomez plant just settled in the core of Mexico City. These show us that it is possible to make these changes from the design, but also in plants that already exist and are operating with adapted investments to the needs of each industry. Now to 2021, Schneider has launched 80 digitalized intelligent plants to be ready for this digital economy. The supply chain of General Electric connected 4.0 supply chain has been an important actor for this transformation. Undoubtedly, this is a sample of our experience and capacity an ability to locally support each other and support every industry in Mexico when implementing their next steps in their journey towards sustainability and digitalization. In Schneider Electric will help you to be better. One of the concerns that the ones that are involved in a productive process is to have enough raw materials and products. One of the inputs is air power that feeds the process. And what are we looking in this input? That it's secure, reliable, and high quality, so that the process is also as such. As a company, we started our journey with interrupters and with boards, so that the power distribution maintains safe and safety. But we've evolved, and these same devices are offering us a connection with our platforms to increase the power and reduce downtimes, so that you can reestablish as fast as possible your downtimes, that the energy that with which we feed our processors enough to run our operations smoothly. This is not enough. With the same platforms and even with advisory services, power is a way of contributing to our goals for climate change. Ours and from our clients. From 2014 as of now, we've rendered global services to support customers to change to renewable supply sources, reducing the megawatts, impacting globally of 2.3 times the extensions of forest of the areas from Mexico. Just as an example, after our plant number 6 have taken us to the next level, the supply system for power and utility, it's a wind model with energy and sustainability service department. Besides that, we can integrate a group of services, some like power measurers, gauges, as with a sweep of powers, and every single device can be connected to the cloud. The data that comes from all these products can be analyzed by digital solutions from Schneider Electric, such as Power Engineering and Advisor, platforms of EcoStructure, and others. For these, we can offer valuable information that will allow it to take strategic decisions on the use of electric power, and results have been extremely successful, reducing energy interruptions through the predictive analysis of the platforms and enhancing the recovery time in case of stop, and we can determine exactly where the failure is. These same platforms and services are in the hands of many of the industries of the country that trusted us so that they could do more with their power and can have the benefits of the technology. With that, regardless of the field or the age of their own facilities, this is our commitment with Mexico and with the environment. And we have the first plant in Mexico with zero emissions of carbon and it's part of the net zero carbon program, buildings with zero carbon emission. That's looking to be the fundamental pillar of Schneider Electric to launch this purpose of sustainability, improving the efficiency of operations and manufacturers through digitalization. This is a result of combining renewable sources, services, and improving our energy source. We understand that challenges are different in every industry, that the work that each one does in their specialty is different, and they're focused on satisfying the needs of their clients so that we can create great things and to continue with the society of development. The same need is the one that is calling us and summon us to evolve in our industries. We define this that the energies continue. Life is using the logo life is on. Allow me to show you what's our vision in our next video. To enjoy, to reconnect, for endorphins, for her, for him. Do it efficiently while you protect your planet. The industry of tomorrow is asking us to be ready today. The industry of future means to be totally open so you can do what you do, thinking on the next generation, using resilient applications that use energy efficiently, defining the role that sustainability plays in the industry, delivering solutions that will empower your teamwork, sorry, because whatever and regardless what you do, we can help you to do it better. So you can do it and make it for life. In Schneider Electric, we are really aware of this challenge and this huge task that has to be complete in the last few years to come so as to have a more productive and sustainable world. We are creating offers so that our clients can have a better use of the electric power in their processes. And I take this space to tell you that we've been in Mexico for more than 75 years. We have 2,000 employees that are part of this huge team in the different disciplines and units. And we also have 9 manufacturer plants in Mexico, 3 research centers, 1 logistics center, and we have 2 corporate offices, one in Mexico City and the other one in San Jose, Costa Rica. All the team is continuously working to promote and drive all they offer so that our clients can use the most modern technology when talking and managing power, affecting positively their productivity. Innovations of today in terms of operation and IT technologies and their convergence makes us possible to use our own technology in our manufacturing plants so that they can become more efficient plants, reducing the consumption of the better use of that energy, and and at the same time increasing the productivity. The convergence it's making possible for us to use more digitalization together with all the administrative processes. So it's a perfect convergence to have a better management, not only on the important aspects of the company, but something that is really important, the power that we use. This allows us to have every time a more sustainable and productive plants. The Lexington, Kentucky plant and The plant number 6 that we probably have in Apodaca, Nuevo León, are examples of this. We can proudly show our users and customers all the progress that we have in terms of technology devoted to the energy efficiency and productivity that today allows to deliver the best technology for your own use. We want to be more productive, more efficient, using better technology to move forward be and continue operations without damaging the environment and with the aim of becoming a more sustainable and better world. For the year 2030, Schneider will be a company that will be fully 0% emissions using our own technology in all our plants around the world. We appreciate the support that we have on behalf of clients, customers, and we have installed in many countries our products, and we also have a huge portfolio for industrial processes. In the last years, we have complemented this large portfolio of products with products that are more focused to the IT, what it's known as software. Software today is a fundamental piece of digitalization that allows to connect all the devices that are using the power energy and allows to have and manage data in our facilities. Without the software, it wouldn't be possible to run data analysis. Out of 100% of data created throughout the day, we're only capable to analyze 3% with the current media. However, if we use softwares that allow us to run data analysis together with apps, we can extract the most important data that we want to analyze in a determined process so as to make important decisions to become more productive and more efficient. The software offer, it's available. We are willing to deliver these to everyone so that they can connect solutions. Software allows harmonization in the whole plant so you can have the necessary tools to meet your objectives and productivity of efficiency while preserving the energy that you're using and becoming more sustainable companies so that we can meet the goals of global warming that we have set in for future years. We're going just to refer first, we are facing a very strong challenge of a global warming where we have to focus all the possible sustainability to stop using fossil fuel and to become and start using more renewable sources of energy. At the same time, we will be complying with our growth purposes, efficiency, profitability, without risking the sustainability of this planet. This is our responsibility. We have all the tools, all the offer that can contribute to you all in this to comply and meet the goals. Thank you everyone for your attention. Thank you for being here in this great event at Mexico 2021, and for sure we will see each other next time. Thank you so much. Life is on.
We're not here to save the world. It'll go on with or without us. We're here to help power and connect what you do every day to ensure that life is